Now let us take another example. It is an example of end-centered unit cell. Here the atoms are placed at the corner of the unit cell, and two atoms are also placed at the face-centered position of the two opposite phases of the unit cell. Orange ball represents the corner atom, and these two yellow balls represent the face-centered atom, which are placed at the two opposite phases of the cubic unit cell. Here the number of corner atom comes out to be 8. How many corner atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the bottom. So total number of corner atom is 8. And how many face-centered atoms are there? There are two face-centered atoms placed at the two opposite centers of the two opposite phases of the unit cell. So let us count the number of atom per unit cell. The total number of corner atom is 8, and the contribution of corner atom is only 1/8 of 8. That comes out to be 1. The number of face-centered atom is 2, 1 and 2, and each phase is common between two unit cell. This ball will be divided into two equal parts in a cubic unit cell, because a phase is common between two unit cell, and hence the contribution of this ball is between the two unit cell. One in this unit cell, another half in the neighboring unit cell. So the number of face-centered atom is equal to 2, and since their contribution is only half, therefore the total number of atoms contributed by the face-centered atom will be equal to 2 multiplied by 1/2, and that comes out to be 1. So 1 from the contribution by the corner and 1 from the contribution of face-centered position, and 1 plus 1 will give you 2. 1 from the corner atoms and 1 from the face-centered atom. So number of atoms per unit cell present in this end-centered unit cell will comes out to be 2. Now let us take another example. This is body-centered unit cell. Here the atoms are placed at the corner of the unit cell as well as at the body center position. Now how many corners are there? There are 8 corner atoms. Total number of corner atom is equal to 8, and the contribution of the corner atom in cubic unit cell is only 1/8. So the contribution from the corner comes out to be 8 multiplied by 1/8, and that gives you 1. One atom is placed at the body center position, and this body center position is isolated to this unit cell only. It is not common between any other unit cell, and that is why the total number of atom per unit cell in this body centered unit cell will be equal to 1 contributed from the corner and 1 contributed from the body centered position, and 1 plus 1 will give you 2. The number of atom per unit cell in case of body centered cubic unit cell comes out to be 2. Let us observe again. There are 8 corners. This red ball represents the corner atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 corner atoms, and the contribution of corner atom is only 1/8. So 8 into 1/8 will give you 1, and one of the atom which is placed at the body center position represented by the yellow ball is isolated to this unit cell only. So 1 contributed from the corner and 1 contributed from the body centered position. So the total number of atom per unit cell in this type of unit cell comes out to be 2. Now let us take another example of the unit cell, which is known as face-centered unit cell. Now count the number of corner atoms. Here all the corner atoms are occupied by the atoms. Total number of corner atoms are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this type of unit cell, one extra atom is present in the center of each phases, and they are known as phase centered atom. Every phases contain one phase centered atom. In this case of FCC arrangement, in case of FCC arrangement, corners are occupied by the atoms as well as the center of each phases are occupied by the atoms. So, and we know that the corner is common between 8 unit cell, and therefore the contribution from the corner will be equal to 8 multiplied by 1 by 8, and that comes out to be 1. And how many phases are there in a cube? There are total 6 phases in the cube, and all the 6 phase centered positions are occupied by the atoms in case of FCC. So the total number of phase centered atoms comes out to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many phase centered atoms are there? 6 phase centered atoms are there, and each phase is common between 2 unit cells, and that is why the contribution from the phase will be equal to 6 multiplied by 1 by 2, and the total number of that comes out to be 3. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. So the total number of atom per unit cell in case of FCC comes out to be 4. 1 from the contributed from the corner and 3 contributed from the face centered position. So the total number of atom per unit cell in case of FCC comes out to be 4.